welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix error 1016 in Roblox. Are you also getting the same error? If yes, no need to worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. Well, the error you are coming across is reported by lots of users. The error basically occurring because of the wrong domain that you are trying to open. If you look at this domain, it's web.roblox.com. But if you try to open the main domain, that is roblox.com, then you can easily access the website and you can further log into it easily. But by mistake, you are opening web.roblox.com, and so this error is occurring. So make sure you check your domain and you are opening the right domain, and you can easily access Roblox website. So you have to check first that the domain is right. But if you still face the error, then you are suggested to do a flush DNS. So for that, what you have to do is go to the search option, search for command prompt, and here you have to type ipconfig space /flush DNS and press enter. So after doing this, now check if the problem is resolved or not. If the problem still occurs, you can clear the browser cache. So for that, go to the settings of your browser, and here you have to click on privacy and security, and after that search for Roblox over here. Search for Roblox, it will come. You have to simply click on the delete icon. So you have to click on the delete option, and after that check if the problem is fixed. If not, you are suggested to switch to a public DNS. So in this situation, you have to go to the search option and have to search for control panel. After that, click on network and internet, click on network and sharing, click on change adapter settings, select your Wi-Fi, right click on it, click on properties, and here you have to select internet protocol version 4, select properties, click on use the following DNS server, and here you have to enter 8.8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS server you have to enter 8.8.4.4, and after that click on OK, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then you are suggested to use a Roblox app. Most of the time the website doesn't work and you can suffer from several issues, so it's better to go for an app if possible, and after that you can easily access the Roblox app, and you can further log into it and you can play it. So by this way you can easily resolve Roblox error 1016 on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.